Fernando, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, naghahanap ka ba ng unlimited wings dito sa may McArthur Highway, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga? Look no more. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Wing Shack Unlimited. This is, again, an unlimited wings restaurant.
Yes. Actually, hindi lang siya unlimited wings, unlimited siomai, fries, crackers, and iba pa.
So if you wanna know about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Right, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Nagpapasalamat kami ulit kay Wing Shack Unlimited. So this is located dito sa Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes,
of course, sinaserve nila dito are unlimited wings. Yan, so they have options for you to, try. So meron tayong unlimited siomai, which is 129 pesos only. So they also have unlimited fries. So unlimited fries at saka 1 glass of iced tea naman dyan. Ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. So there are options for you to try yung unlimited wings nila. So meron tayong 229 pesos only. Ang option mo doon are yung unlimited 8 original flavors.
So meron tayo ditong spicy garlic butter sauce, meron tayo ditong spicy honey glazed sauce, spicy garlic barbecue sauce. So, all-time favorite flavors mga to, no?
Yep.
Same time, meron tayong oriental sriracha sauce, orange glazed sauce, lemon sesame sauce, sweet chili sauce, and syempre yung kanilang original.
So for that one, you're gonna have unlimited wings, unlimited rice, unlimited crackers, at saka 1 glass of iced tea.
Yes.
Now, if you want to go unlimited for the iced tea, ayan, unlimited crackers, unlimited drinks, yan, 249 pesos. Add ka lang ng 20 pesos. So for the next option for you guys is yung 8 original flavors na 289 pesos naman. You're gonna get unlimited wings, unli fries, unli siomai, unli crackers, unli rice, unli drinks. So basically, all. So that's only for 289 pesos. Now for the ultimate, yan, so 309 pesos yan. You're gonna have 8 originals plus yung 4 ultimate flavors nila.
So ano sa mga ultimate flavors nila? So meron tayo ditong butter garlic parmesan, spicy garlic parmesan, spicy Caribbean sauce, and yung kanilang fiery buffalo sauce.
Additionally, meron kang 1 serve of ice cream when you get yung 309 pesos. So, comparing it with 289 pesos, additional 20 pesos na naman. We won't bore you long guys, we're gonna, tikman na natin to. So if you notice guys, they only have like 12
flavors. Meron tayong 8 originals and syempre yung kanilang mga 4 ultimate.
So para sa akin, hindi ka masyadong malilito kung ano yung flavor na...
Same time, kung ikaw yung mahiling mag-explore ng mga flavors, I think matitikman mo naman lahat.
Alright, so price of 309 pesos guys. Sa tingin nyo, mauubos nyo ba lahat to? I've heard from our orientation, so average daw nila dito is around hanggang 15 wings.
15 wings.
Pero the max na record nila dito is around 32.
Sa isang tao.
Sa isang tao, bro. So, siguro tinikman niya lahat. Makes sense. I mean, it's unlimited.
Yeah.
You're gonna go for that one.
So, ano yung una natin titikman?
Ako gusto kong tingnan yung siomai muna. So, para meron akong appetizer dito.
I'll go for the fried siomai.
Fried. So, again, you're gonna have option ng siomai is fried or yung steam. So, they also have yung sausawan nito. Chili sauce. Notice mo yung toppings nila bro. So, ang dami ng garlic.
Yes.
So, I'll have another one. Oh. Wow, manghang. This is chili. So, for the first wings na I'm gonna try is yung kanilang spicy garlic butter sauce. Ito yan.
Ako naman yung kanilang spicy garlic barbecue sauce.
Grabe. Buti na lang, Mark. Naabutan pa natin mainit-init yung mga wings. Kasi additional, satisfaction kapag mainit pa talaga yung mga kinakaya mo.
medyo malalaki yung mga cuts nila. And yung flavor niya, lasang-lasa mo talaga.
Right. So that was just the first. Actually, medyo impressed na ako. Spicy. So it has a little bit of, you know, kick dun sa flavor natin. So this one, I'm interested in this one. Oh, orange glazed sauce. Okay. So this one is the orange glazed sauce. I think ito yung mga mga popular na medyo may zest.
Yes.
Yung mga flavor ng mga wings, no? Because of the orange.
Ako naman, I'll go for their Oriental Sriracha sauce. Uy, laki nito ah. Yan, check this out.
Wow. So for this one, again, it's a little bit sweet. Pero ito yung I think magiging siyang taste friendly para sa mga kids. Because it's not spicy. Napaka-friendly ng ng lasa niya.
At the same time, pwede din yung Oriental Sriracha.
Meron din silang mga side dishes dito. So mga fries, they have 4 flavors. Meron tayong barbecue, this is sour cream, yan, cheesy mayo, at saka of course cheese. So I think I'm gonna go for this one. No? Very appetizing, kung mapapansin nyo guys. Very appetizing. So meron din silang rice dito. So meron kang dalawang option, black sesame seeds or yung garlic. Okay, I wanna taste this one, sweet chili sauce.
Ako naman yung kanilang lemon sesame sauce.
So far guys, let me ask you, if you are to, dine here, most probably dun sa mga familiar na sauces sa inyo, which one are you gonna enjoy most? No? So leave it at the comment section.
So syempre, habang kumakain, meron din tayo mga option dito for the drinks. So meron tayong yung iced tea and yung kanilang red tea.
Wow. Coming to the ultimate flavors nila. So this one is a buttered garlic parmesan. Ito naman ay spicy garlic parmesan. Notice, ayan, hindi tinipid yung mga cheese nila dito.
Even yung mga sauces nila, just like itong mga spicy Caribbean sauce and yung kanilang fiery buffalo.
Ayan, so additional 20 pesos for this one, unlimited, 309 pesos. Para sa akin yun na yung sulit.
Yes.
Yun na yung sulit, 309 pesos.
Actually, matitikman mo na yung 12 flavors na in-offer nila.
Wow! Para sa akin, nag-mix yung sweet at saka yung saltiness ng cheese. Pero mas nangingibabaw guys, yung parmesan cheese nila. So again, di tinipid. So another one is the spicy Caribbean sauce. Ayan. I hope it's really spicy. Ito yung manghang. Ito yung manghang, bro.
So let's taste it, syempre.
Ito yung manghang. Confirm. So take note of that, guys. If you are, wanna challenge yourself sa mga manghang na wings, go for the Caribbean. So, ayun nga guys, to top it all off, meron tayong dessert dito. Courtesy of, again, ng Wing Shop Unlimited. So, meron sila ditong 4 na flavors. This is 1 serving. Para sa akin, kukunin ko yung coffee crumble.
Ako naman yung cashew lang nila. So, dito naman is, since 1 serving nga sila, pipili lang kayo kung anong flavor yung gusto nyo.
Cheers! Ayun nga guys, so many dishes to taste, so little time for us to let you know kung ano yung mga experience natin dito. It's for you to find out.
Yes.
Another option guys, this is open from 11 a.m. up until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Address natin, bro.
And it's located dito sa may 2nd floor ng Gamboa Building.
And then order what you can eat only. Ayan. For the age naman, so 4 to 7 years old, meron tayong 20% off. 3 years old and below is free. Ayan. And then, yung 8 years old and above is regular fee naman natin. So, again guys, we're gonna finish this off-cam. Ayan. So, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Mantamo.